Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to take a quick second before I started today's video, which is going to be a DIY. I just wanted to take a moment to personally come on camera and show my face and tell you guys how so appreciative I am of you for reaching out with all of your kind words, your blessings and prayers, and all of that stuff that you wished us during me and my husband's time of loss. We lost 2 uncles and a grandmother over the course of the last 2 weeks. And so I really do appreciate those kind words that helped me get through the days, and all of the beautiful words and all of that stuff really touched us, and he and I both are very appreciative to that. And so thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts. Okay, I really do appreciate that, and that's why I love you guys so much, because you're so caring and you're just so understanding. And I thank you for holding on and giving me a moment to, you know, go through things with my family and prepare for funerals and stuff like that. So thank you so much. Now, to get into today's video, we're going to be creating a wonderful DIY that you can clearly use for a Mother's Day gift. You can use it just as a gift, whatever you want to use it for, you know, the typical stuff. All right, you guys, thank you so much, and let's get started with today's video. All right, so real quickly, these are some of the things that you're going to need to complete this DIY. Now, I will have a list of the items I'm using here in the description box below, so do check that out, okay? Now, I'm going to be using some adhesive bling rhinestones from the Dollar Tree. I am also going to use 2 of these geometric mirrors from the Dollar Tree. I am going to use 2 push lights from the Dollar Tree. They take 3 AAA batteries each. And I am going to use these beautiful paper flowers, or fabric flowers, so not paper, they're fabric flowers. And they're so pretty, and they are from Michael's Craft Store for $1.50 a pack. So you can tell off the bat that this is going to be a budget DIY. I'm going to use a few of these square rhinestone ribbon wrap. Now you can purchase this from AC Moore Craft Store. They do have an online store for those of you who do not have an AC Moore Craft Store in your area. Just search rhinestone square ribbon wrap, okay? And it should pull up. And I am going to use 2 of these right here, these little charms here that I got from Hobby Lobby. And lastly, hot glue, E6000 or fits all, some type of permanent glue. And I will also be using these here, and I wanted to show you guys what they look like. Now I got these from Family Dollars, and they were like a wall frame. This had glass in it, but it was broke. So I did take it out, and I just wanted you to see how it was made. But I'm not going to use this part in here. This will be removed, and when I'm done, it will look like this. So you want to remove everything from that frame, okay? And so we're going to get started right now. And I hope you guys can see and hear me clearly. This is the brand of it, just in case you are interested. It is called Bella Villa dimensional frame, and I got it for $1. It was reduced to $1. Okay. The idea or the image that I have in my mind is where we're going to take these square ribbon wraps, and we're going to place them down and glue them down with, of course, our hot glue gun. Okay, so now we're going to take our rhinestones and we're just going to decorate this. Now, if you don't want a black sconce, you can definitely paint this white or whatever color you want to. I wanted to leave it just like it was. Now, I'm just going to decorate this by adding these here. To the sconce. You can reinforce it with hot glue if you choose to. I'm just gonna now that I have my bling all over everywhere where I want it to be, I'm going to now take one of these push-up lights or push-on lights, and I am going to secure it down to the base part of here. And I'm going to sit it up so I can do it, make sure it's right. I pretty much want to make sure that, and it has a sticky backing on it, so I really don't have to glue it down. See, because it sticks, like it's not going nowhere. So I'm gonna press that down there. And next, but before I press that down, I should have put the bling around here, because I kind of wanted to put some bling around the sides anyway. So just put a little bling. And when you're putting this down, you want to make sure that it's flush kind of with the back. So it wants to hang off a little bit more in the front than it does in the back. Okay, so that it will sit level on the wall. So you want to make sure this is kind of flush and not hanging too much over the back part, okay? Or it's not going to be on the wall right. And this is optional, y'all. This is me just putting some bling on the sides up here. And I'm not going to put it in the front per se, because I am going to put something there else in the front. So I'm going to leave the front open a little bit. Okay, so I had the bling around here. Now I'm going to take one of our fabric flowers out. This has sticky. It's a sticky right here. So I don't have to really glue it down either because it's already sticky. Now you can glue it down if you choose to. So, okay, I got that on there like that. Now I'm going to take my little dazzling charm, and I am just going to glue it on the bottom of this frame. Okay, so next we got all of that glue. We're going to take our mirror and we're just going to glue it down here, just like so. Glue it down.